Okay, so here is my quick, or not so quick, morning meal that I'm making. It's actually mid-morning. I haven't eaten yet. So I've got eggs, chopped onion, some sliced tomato, and some flat leaf parsley. And I've got my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs, just random 5 eggs. I'm making enough to have some now. I won't eat all of this right now. And got my garlic sea salt. So I won't eat all this right now, but I'll have some for later. I like to cook, so there's leftovers. I'm a leftover eater. So I'm just going to put the onion. Got the onion. And in my pan is butter. Butter. So I have the heat on like almost medium. Just before medium. All right, I'm going to put in the parsley. Salt in the eggs. Garlic salt. Yum. I'm going to salt the tomatoes. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs here. One egg has about 6 grams of protein, so 1, 2, 3. So let's say this is 30 grams, give or take. I think I'm going to scramble these up. So take my fork, and yes, I have a little whisk, but I find that I like holding it from the side better. Okay, so I want this to cook a little more. So butter, chopped onion, white onion, flat leaf Italian parsley, and some sliced tomato. These are Campari. And you can see that as the tomato cooks down, you get that nice reddish orange buttery sauce. Makes it taste so, so good. All right, so I am going to very slowly turn my heat down and pour this in. And I'm going to let it sit. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes, and you can see it is starting to set. But I still have some uncooked egg around here. So, okay, it's pretty solid. There's a little bit here that hasn't cooked. But what I'm going to do is I cut it into 4s. So they're like, you know, pizza slices. Then I'll take it, and you need a big spatula. And sometimes this works, sometimes not. But I'll flip it like that. And there you go. And then I just get the other side cooked. Okay? Still tastes delicious. So I'm going to eat like 2 of these. Got my plate. And I eat on paper plates by myself, y'all, because I don't want to do dishes. So I'm going to eat 2 of these. See? That one fell. But you get the idea. So pretty. So, okay. Yum. And that's it. And I'll probably make a little turkey sausage to go with it. But that's how I make kind of a frittata slash omelet type situation with whatever's in my fridge. All right, so 6. So there's probably about between 12 and 14 grams of protein in there, which is not a ton. But I'm going to have 3 turkey sausage links too, which will have about another 11. So we're looking at a total of about 24 grams, somewhere around there. I don't know. I can't add. So anyway, that's how I do it. Have a good day.